Hey buddies, this is another section of the Nebraska Prairie Museum, and they got some more cool tractors in here, and this one reminded me of Daddy and my tractors. This is a really old John Deere, and if we look around, they've got a bunch of others. See if you can see them back there. So just thought I'd take a video around the room. A lot of these museums have these beautiful old cars. Oh, and there's Mumpkin. Wave hi, Mumpkin. There she is. All right. So, all right. That's it for this video. We'll talk to you in another one. Love you. Bye.